Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Latoya. For those that are new, welcome. For those that already follow me, thank you for sticking in. Today I'll be showing you guys on how to do a lightening or brightening or dark spot or pigmentation or melasma face mask or moisturizer. So the first thing you'll need is turmeric oil. This is a turmeric oil, the yellow one I'm showing you here. And then you need your own gel. So my gel, I made it myself at home. I made with aloe vera and so many, it's chemicals involved. Making not chemicals, but it's a I'll scientific, but I don't even know how to express that. But anyway, I made the gel myself at home. This mask is very moisturizing. If you can use it as a mask or maybe as a moisturizer, it's very moisturizing. It leaves your skin very smooth. It helps with pimples, dark spot, hyperpigmentation, melasma, even an even skin tone. So after you put your gel, you put some drops, let's say 3 drops of turmeric oil. This turmeric oil is the one that I made on the previous video that you guys, if you didn't watch, please go and watch it. And then you add the please half of the cup, left half teaspoon of this lightening oil. The lightening oil is, I made it myself as well. It contains kojic palmate, it contains licorice and many more, so it's my secret formula. I do this mixture for my clients because when I add on my brightening or lightening or 3 shades lighter products, so that this is the oil actually. So and then after that you blend everything together until everything is mixed very well until everything is mixed super well. And then after that, sorry guys, after that, transfer the mixture into a sterilized bottle. Guys, make sure that the area, the way you are working, is always sterilized. I'm making this for myself. It's not for a client or for somebody else. It's for myself and my mom because she has a lot of melasma on the skin, so that's why I didn't put any gloves. But if you're making anything for your business, make sure to wear gloves. And guys, if you're using fresh aloe vera from the plant from your house, the garden, the fresh one, you can only keep it for 1 week. So you just make a small portion, put it in the fridge, and apply every day, once in a day. Apply, and then you come back and comment what was the result. But with this one, it's already can last for 6 months because it already contains preservative. When I did the gel, I put already preservative, and then the oil, the lightening oil, I'll put vitamin E as an antioxidant. So this one is safe. But in case you are doing with your plant, if you're using the aloe vera from the shop, those aloe vera gel, so you don't need preservative because it's okay. It can last you up to 3 to 6 months as well. But then if you're using the normal plant, please put preservatives. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye guys.